Hey you guys, it's Michael with Elite Custom Golf Carts. Today we're taking a look at a cart that we're getting ready to convert from old lead acid batteries to lithium batteries. So this is lead acid batteries in this Ezgo TXT. As you can see, this is corrosion on all of these battery terminals, and right now this cart is not even running. But this is kind of the issues that you have to deal with the lead acid batteries. So we're gonna get these yanked out. We're gonna get this battery tray cleaned up real good, and we're gonna get a new lithium battery put in where you don't have to worry about any corrosion or water leaking out, battery acid, that kind of stuff. So hey, what's going on everyone? This is Michael with Elite Custom Golf Carts. I just want to show you this 36 volt Eco battery lithium conversion that we just finished up. So as we previously showed you, the batteries in this cart were in horrible shape. They had tons of corrosion, battery acid was kind of all over the place. So we cleaned everything up, got those old batteries out of there. We put a fresh new plastic battery tray in there to kind of cover up all that corrosion. We got your Eco 36 volt battery right here, all hooked up, powered on, ready to go. So this cart is back in action, ready for years of maintenance-free runtime. So pretty clean little install there. Looks way better than the mess that was in there before. All right, appreciate you guys watching. Check us out for more videos. Thanks.